Hey everyone, welcome to day 5 of the Etsy Hacks 30-day challenge. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a call to action to your shop announcement. Now, as you can see, here is my shop announcement, and it gets cut off after the word A, and people have to click right here. The prospective buyer has to click on read more in order to see the rest of it. However, a lot of times customers don't even notice that there's a read more, or they potentially think that you are done with whatever you were saying and maybe you have a little bit more. So one thing that I highly recommend for you to do is add a call to action right at the very end right here. So I have mine. It says open to continue reading. Now, the reason why I put this call to action with little arrows pointing down is because I want them to know it doesn't stop right here. I have more information for you. So whether you are writing here your shipping policies, or you have something that you want to convey to your prospective buyer, I highly recommend adding a call to action right here. Now, I also recommend using call to actions in your messages with prospective buyers, in your listing description, and anywhere that you promote your business. Keep in mind, call to actions are a way to tell that prospective buyers what type of action you want them to take next. So maybe you want them to click here to view matching items, or click here to view our products on sale, or click here to join our email list, right? So call to actions are really, really important. And it's something that I really don't see a lot when I'm browsing through Etsy stores or I'm doing critiques. A lot of people don't use them, or they're not using them as effectively. So make sure that you start thinking a little bit bigger, start thinking like, how can I get that person to take action? What can I do? And always have a call to action on pretty much anything outside of Etsy when you're promoting your business. So whether you put a new product and you put a little caption of your product, make sure that you have a call to action, whether it's click below to like this, or click here to shop my store. So let me know in the comments if you currently use call to actions. Let me know if you have any additional questions. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. I'll see you on the next Etsy hack.